Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives. Subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me more videos. Happy driving to all and hope everyone are at good health. This is the continuation of the previous video on tires. Tires are important part of your car. The car moves on tires, and how safe, how effectively you maintain the tires, the life of the tires go more, and as well as you and your family are safe in a car. Today we have a tire which has numbers, right? The 175, 60, R15, 81T. Today we are decoding the numbers and alphabets in the tire. 175, the number what you see is the width of the tire in mm. The second one is 60, the aspect ratio of the height of the tire. The R is the constitution, it is radial tire. It's a radial tire, it is called radial tire. Then 15 is the diameter of the wheel in inches. Then 180 is the load index, which the maximum load the tire can bear is 462 kgs is what the load index the tire can bear. The T is the speed limit what it can go up to. The T stands for 190 kilometers per hour. This is the decode of the letters available on tires. Every tire will have numbers and alphabets. So whenever you're buying, please look at what is the maximum load it can take, what is the maximum speed it can go, and make sure you understand this and then buy the tires. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Thank you.